Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do Dutch braiding your own hair. To do this you are going to need hair bands or hair elastics and then comb or a hairbrush. Firstly, brush out all of your hair so that there are no knots. This will allow styling to be easier. Then you're going to want to create a parting for your braids. You can decide wherever you would like this to go. However, I personally prefer to have a side parting. Once you have sectioned your hair, tie up one side so it is out of the way when it comes to braiding. Then take a small triangle section of hair at the front of your head and split so you're left with 3 strands. Pull the section away from you as you're going to be braiding the hair backwards. Take the left strand of hair at the front of the head and cross it under the middle, then switch the middle over to take the left's original place. Then bring the right strand under this middle section. Once you have started the braid off, you can then begin to bring in sections of hair. All you want to do is grab a section of hair from the back and the front, then add these into your left and right sections. Again, take a section of hair at the back and add into the right strand. Then take a section of hair at the front and add into the left strand. Take the left strand with the added piece of hair under the middle, whilst taking the middle over so it takes the left's place. Then grab the right strand and take it under to go in the middle. Repeat this step until you reach the nape of the neck. When pulling in sections to your strands at the nape of your neck, you need to make sure to pull them tighter so that the braid is not loose. Once the braid is finished, you can then secure off with a hair elastic or hair band. Once one side is finished, you can then move on to the other and repeat what you just did. Firstly, brush through the hair so that there are no knots. Take a small triangle section and divide it into 3 strands. Take the right strand of hair under the middle whilst the middle goes over to take the right's place. Then take the left strand of hair under to take the middle's place, whilst that middle section becomes the new left strand. When braiding, make sure to always go in the same order. If you started with crossing the left strand under first, this should be carried on all the way to the end of the braid. Grab some hair to add to the right strand. Then take a section of hair from the front to add into the left. Cross the right strand of hair under the middle whilst taking this section over. Then take the left strand under and again take the middle over. Repeat all of these steps until you reach the nape of your neck. Once you reach the nape of your neck, you will want to pull the sections tighter so the braid is not loose in this area once you have finished. You can then brush through the ends of your hair just to make sure there are no knots. Carry on braiding the hair all the way down, and again secure with a hair elastic or hair band. Once you have finished, you can then pull parts of the braid to create a softer look. You can then pull out hair around the front to frame the face. And there you have it. That is how you Dutch braid your own hair.